Good morning, children. Today we are going to study the next topic, that is magnetic effect of electric current. So far we were studying about heating effect of electric current. So what is heating effect of electric current? When electric current passes through certain substances, that substances get heated. This effect is known as heating effect of electric current, isn't it? Now we are going to study about another effect of electric current, that is magnetic effect of electric current. As the name shows, or as the name refers, magnetic effect of electric current means when electric current passes through certain substances or when electric current passes through a conductor, a magnetic field will be produced around that conductor. And the production of this magnetic field around a conductor is known as magnetic effect of electric current. So you have already studied in 6th standard what is a magnet. A magnet is a substance that can attract pieces of iron, nickel and cobalt towards it. So by using electric current we can make a magnet. So this effect was first discovered by Hans Christian Ørsted. So he discovered that when electric current passes through a conductor, a magnetic field is generated around this conductor. This phenomenon is known as magnetic effect of electric current, or simply it is referred as electromagnetism. So who discovered it? Hans Christian Ørsted in 1820 discovered it. So there is an activity given in your textbook that your teacher will be discussing it on your interactive session. So after magnetic effect of electric current, the next topic what you have to study is electromagnet. So electromagnet is a very important portion that you have to study in detail in your higher classes. Now just moving on to the introduction of electromagnet. Electromagnets are those materials or those magnets which are made with the help of electricity. So the magnets which are prepared by passing electric current is known as an electromagnet. So how will you make an electromagnet? Simply the preparation or the making of electromagnet is very simple. That is, take a soft iron piece or a soft iron nail, most preferably soft iron nail. Wound it with copper wire as shown in the figure, and the two ends of the copper wire should be connected to a cell. So a soft iron nail is taken, it is wounded with insulated copper wire and the two ends of the copper wire is connected to a cell. So when the two ends of the copper wire is connected to a cell, electric current passes through the copper wire. When electric current passes through the copper wire, this iron nail will be changed into a magnet. And you can see that this iron nail starts attracting small pieces of magnetic materials. The peculiarity of this magnet produced by electricity, the peculiarity of the magnet produced with the help of electricity is that they are temporary magnets. So as you see in the figure, when electric current passes through the insulated copper wire, that iron nail behaves like a magnet. Then, how can you increase the strength of the electromagnet? There are three methods by which you can increase the strength of electromagnet. That is, first one is, it is obvious, in the figure given, we are using only a cell. Now, if we increase the number of cells, the strength of electromagnet can be increased. The second one is, increase the number of turns of the copper wire. At first, if you are winding 50 turns, now if you increase the number of turns, that is if you increase the number of turns up to 100, then also the strength of the electromagnet increases. And the third one is, for the electromagnet, use a magnetic material. Now here we are using the soft iron core. If we increase the area of the soft iron core, or if we use a bigger soft iron core for making the electromagnet, then also the strength of the electromagnet can be increased. So these are the three ways by which you can increase the strength of the electromagnet. So in the case of this electromagnet, as long as electric current passes through the electromagnet, it behaves like a temporary magnet and it loses its magnetism once the electric current is stopped. Or as long as electric current passes through the copper wire, the iron nail will behave like a magnet and it loses its magnetism when the current ceases. So the electromagnet, which is produced with the help of electricity, is a temporary magnet. Hope you have understood what is electromagnet. Magnets made by passing electric current through various substances are called electromagnets. That is all for today. Thank you.